The 1973 De Tomaso Montella is one of the most intriguing what-if stories in post-war automotive history. Conceived as the Pantera's successor, it represents the final chapter of Ford's ambitious but short-lived Italian-American sports car experiment. The story begins in the late 1960s when Ford sought an exotic mid-engine sports car to sell through its United States dealer network. A partnership was formed with Alejandro de Tomaso, whose company owned the Italian coach builder Ghia. Under the direction of designer Tom Tjaarda, Ghia developed the De Tomaso Pantera, launched in 1971. Powered by a Ford 5.8-liter V8 and styled in Italy, the Pantera was a commercial success despite known build quality issues. By 1973, external pressures threatened the car's future. New United States safety and emissions regulations, combined with the oil crisis, made continued development costly and complex. Ford's enthusiasm waned, but De Tomaso believed the Pantera platform still had potential. Ghia was tasked with designing a revised model using the existing chassis. This project became known internally as Pantera II or Pantera 7X. Tjaarda reworked his original design rather than replacing it. The Pantera II featured revised crash bumpers, smoother body surfacing, and distinctive flying buttresses in place of the original rear pillars. The roofline was more architectural, with open rear pillars and a strong wedge profile. The concept was completed in 1973 and finished in a striking bronze color. It debuted publicly at the 1974 Los Angeles Auto Show. Ford withdrew from the Pantera program later in 1974. In 1975, the concept was renamed De Tomaso Montella, repainted pearl white over metallic bronze, and stripped of Pantera badging. It was shipped to Michigan with hopes of attracting a new manufacturing partner. No production deal materialized, and the car remained in storage until 1981, when it was sold along with other Ghia prototypes. The Montella passed through private ownership for decades. After being auctioned in 2007, it was acquired by a close associate of Tom Tjaarda. A meticulous body-off restoration followed, supervised by the designer himself. The car was returned to its original bronze finish and Pantera II identity and reintroduced to the public at Villa d'Este in 2008. Today, the 1973 De Tomaso Montella stands as a fully functional, historically significant one-off prototype. It embodies a moment when design ambition, regulation, and global economics collided, leaving behind the Pantera that almost was.